All right, guys, welcome back. We just finished up Allen Ginter, so what I need to do is actually get my camera back to the original vantage point up here. All right, how's that look? Yeah, we're back in business there. All right, well, there's my flying WB card. That unfortunately, no Mountaineers in wild card this year, but maybe next year. Maybe next year. All right. Now we got our brake pad bearings back. So here we go. Wild card number 38. Let's go ahead and take care of the random to figure out who you guys are going to get in that list right here of the 22 players. Number 38. Let's get wild, guys. Here we go. No trash. Hey, John. There he is. Already still here, John. So he's trying to explain to me what all was going on.
John, you're totally fine, my man. Totally cool. Totally cool. Just good times all around.
Or you were trying to trade trash, I guess, huh, John? Is that? All right. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, and there's number 7. Boom. All right. So Bateman at the top, down to Quidipay. Whoa. I swear, though, that autocorrect gets everybody, like, in an embarrassing way. At one point or another. It gets us all. I love Mr. Trask! So when I watched Son of a Woman the first time, I didn't know what the heck his last name was. It took me a while to figure out it wasn't Trash himself. It was Mr. Trask. Anyway, 3 and 1. 3 and 1. So 4 times here on the names. Here we go. And I love it. We got a Trask rookie card. Anyways, all right. So Adam to Robert. Let's copy and paste just like so. All right. All right. There's the list. Let me alphabetize. Go. All right, so JC up there for Adam. And Steven with, oh, looky there. Steven M. You got the T-Law. All right. It's rare. You guys can trade. Haven't seen much trading going on in this particular break. But, hey, you guys can chat up if you'd like to there. All right, so I've got 3 boxes left. Go. Them. All right, so pick one of the 3 that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is a 2, so we're going to take the one off the top. Well, Steven, there is an offer for your Trevor. All 4. John, who you got? Stokes, Surtain, oh, Harrison Wilson. Oh my gosh, Steven had an incredible draw. I just looked at him. Steven, are you live with me? It's gonna be like, Let's do this first. Yeah, there he is. Robert, same. Oh my goodness. Oh, I hear you, Steven. So this time the randomizer was much more kind. Alrighty. So let's see what we've got. Good luck, everybody. First card is Devonta Smith. Serial number on there, 187 out of 349. And their weekend warrior, Zach, is there. Zach Wilson. Oh, shoot, pardon me for a second, guys. I didn't print. There we go. Now we got it. All right, so, John, there is a number on there. Somewhere, 11 of 25. There it is. 11 of 25. Gregory Rousseau, 47 out of 349. First autograph, Terrace Marshall Jr. 3 of 30. Autograph number 2. Nice. Mac Jones. Mac for Robert. Silver ink on that one. That is 9 of 40. 9 of 40 on Mac. Nice bold silver sig on that card. With the green flames flying off of him. All right, and a thumbograph, Najee Harris. Oh, there you go. Sorry, John. Boom. Thumbawumbograph. Get knocked down before you get up again. never gonna keep us down. Rosso, 27 out of 349. Weekend Warrior, Trevor Lawrence, 14 of 25. Trevor Lawrence for Steven. There's one. Travis Etienne to 349. I approached their booth at National. I said, who wrote this A. Sean thing? Is it really? And it was like a deer in headlights. The guys finally admitted to it. Yeah, I wrote it. Something I found online. I'm like, so I don't know, guys, if it's Etienne or if it's A. Sean. I thought he would have got it from the horse's mouth, so to speak, but I'm just going back to Etienne for now. Except when we do wild cards. So there's A-Sean. 50 out of 75. There's another Najee Harris. And I think that little thread might be from the card. Popping off the top there. And Eric Stokes. Eric Stokes. A red hot rookie card, 28 of 50. Eric Stokes. And Stokes again, Thumbawumbograph, 10 of 15. Stokes goes back to back in there. Patrick Surtain to 349. K-Witty Pay. K-Witty. He's a witty guy. 38 out of 40. Weekend Warrior. 349. There's Rashad Bateman. Oh, nice card here. It is numbered 8 of 75. Justin Fields. Steven. Boom. Jay Fields, that's your first. Is that your first Fields, Steven? He won the Elite 11 quarterback contest with some prestigious opponents, including Trevor Lawrence. According to that, he's better than T-Law, dang it. And Travis Etienne, 14 of 35. Or is it a Sean? Etienne here. Scott has him. 14 of 35. Travis Etienne. And then J.C. Horn, 6 of 15. J.C. Horn. Adam, you got the Thumbograph. Number 3, I believe. The third Thumbograph. Alright, yep, one more here. Alright, so Jalen Waddle. 311 out of 349. And another Trevor Lawrence. 15 of 40 on this Weekend Warrior style card. And there's our first striped 10-point card. Greg Rousseau, 18 of 30. Greg for Robert. All right, Terrace Marshall is back, 41 of 50. Terrace. Robert there. And Horn. JC. This is another one. This is, I believe, 40 out of 50. Yeah, 40 out of 50 on JC. And smoking Mac Jones, 16 of 25. Robert. Nice hit there on the Mac Jones. 2 Macs in there. All right, now We got, okay, we're to the blue ice. Very cool. First blue ice card. Trey Lance, 8 of 175. Weekend Warrior, 1 of 15, Najee Harris. And a 5-point card, Patrick Surtain. John there, 5 of 20. There's Kyle Pitts, 18 of 18. Matthew, congrats. The Explode set. KP. Wow, another Najee Harris. Man, when you get the player, you get the player.
He was all over that first box, too.
Solid one, too, man. That's a good hit. 13 of 18. Good name there, John. Congrats on another Harris. And my goodness, we've got another Kyle Pitts. Kyle! Matt, that's a 1 of 35. Like that design, that card too. Okay. One more box, guys. Here we go. Good luck. Here's Kwity Paye, 86 of 175. ETN, 2 of 5. Five on the Weekend Warrior. Caleb Farley to 175.
Sorry, no, these are for eBay.
Yeah. You want to? You can grab that case right here already. One right there. Yeah. 21 of 175. Caleb Farley. All right, guys. Down to the autographs. Gregory Rousseau. 21 of 25. That's on Robert's list. So, next is a Micah Parsons. Micah Parsons, Steven. Oh, this is Purple Flames on there out of 18. And Stokes. John got Eric Stokes. Lands at the end. 5 of 8. Nice low number thumbograph on Stokes. Oh my goodness, man. Oh man. So box 2. Travers, where are they hiding, man? They gotta be somewhere in there. So thumbograph, Stokes, Parsons, Rousseau, Pitts, Harris, Pitts, Trey Lance to 175, Mack to 25, Horn, Marshall Jr., Lawrence out of 40, J.C. Horn there, ETN, Fields to 75, Stokes to 15, thumbograph, Stokes, Harris, Lawrence to 25, Harris, thumbograph, another Mac Jones, and another Marshall out of 30. Yeah, man. Nice cards. Looking for some of those key guys in the third and fourth box, I suppose, from that case. Guys, thank you again. Appreciate the opportunity as always. Wild card, always fun, always bringing some boom. All right, guys, this will be it for right now. I got 5:38. I'll be back on at 7, and we will see you then if you're back in tonight. If not, keep it in the fairway till we can boom for you again. All right, guys. Rick, Robert, Russ. I see Russ is off. We got. Was that number 5 our most recent? So up at 7. National Treasure. So the plan is to do National Treasures first. We may rearrange the schedule, but We're down to 3, so that's going to lead off at 7 o'clock, it looks like. But anyway. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll stop and save it here. I'm going to sign off. Be back on at 7 o'clock. Guys, take care. Thank you so much. Good night for now.